If you're looking to level up your remote sales pitches, you're in the right place. In this quick CrankWheel explainer, we'll dive into how this tool can boost your pitch game, streamline communication, and ultimately help you close more deals. Stick around till the end, because I'll share an exclusive bonus that you won't want to miss. First up, CrankWheel allows you to share your screen instantly with potential customers, no downloads or complicated setups required. All you need to do is send a link, and they'll see your screen right away. Whether you're showing a product demo or walking through a presentation, this is a major time saver that keeps everything smooth and seamless. Next thing, CrankWheel lets you control what your prospect sees. You can share your full screen or select specific windows, making sure you're only showing relevant info. This is key when you want to keep the conversation focused and avoid distractions. It's like a digital version of walking someone through a demo, but much faster. Now, let's talk about security. One of the key selling points of CrankWheel is its focus on privacy and security. Unlike other screen sharing tools, CrankWheel doesn't require the prospect to sign up or install any software. It's simple, secure, and friction-free, which is perfect for a smooth sales experience. No one likes dealing with tech problems when they're in the middle of a pitch. The fourth thing, CrankWheel also works on mobile devices. So whether you're presenting to a prospect on their computer or smartphone, they get the same high-quality, hassle-free experience. And it's not just great for remote pitches, it's perfect for demos, training sessions, and troubleshooting too. What's even better? CrankWheel's unique callback feature allows you to reconnect instantly if you lose the connection. This means no more scrambling when the connection drops, just a quick click and you're back in business. This reliability is a big factor in maintaining a professional edge during your pitch. By now, you can see how CrankWheel can simplify remote sales pitches and improve customer engagement, but there's more. You can use this software completely for free through the link below, and with our exclusive bonus, you get an extended trial that's not available anywhere else. Just click the link and start exploring all the features CrankWheel has to offer. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. So, to recap, CrankWheel is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their remote sales process. You get fast, secure screen sharing, customizable view options, mobile compatibility, and a reliable callback feature that ensures you're always connected. And don't forget to grab your exclusive bonus offer through the link below. Thanks for watching and happy pitching!